Hello everyone, you may or may not know me as a person that's currently building an unfinished robot, right? Well, yeah, it's not the most visual appealing right now, but I'm currently waiting for a 3D printer that might come on the 24th or 30th. Now, before we get into the actual robot, electronics and stuff, let's get a quick rundown of the price of everything. So these two drive motors cost however much money it's gonna cost. It's gonna be on the screen somewhere, I'm not sure. This weapon motor, belt and pulley, the foam wheels themselves, motor mounts, got the weapon right here. The weapon is not really, that much, it's just the pulley itself. So that's the price of everything you see currently on camera. Now let's get to like the actual wires and stuff. So the Antway dual brush ESEC, this thing right here I'm holding right now, costs this much. The weapon ESEC costs however much. And finally, this LiPo battery that's 11 volts, 45 cell, 3S, and 250 amps costs however much. So here's the total price, pretty expensive. So first, we gotta, plug in the battery, main power source. You gotta make sure the polarity is the same, negative plus negative, positive and positive. So let's do that. Now the next thing we're gonna do is plug in the receiver. So, the transmitter controls and gives like directions to the motors and whatever. Now before we actually drive the robot and test the robot and whatnot, as you can see, I actually taped the motors onto the chassis, because if I don't, the motors will actually spin and twist up the wires and cause up problems. So let's do like a little control test. Drive motors working good. Let's see. Yep. It's pretty fun controlling this robot, If I did wanted to put the weapon on it, here's what it would look like. Yeah, not really so good. And this is because the shaft is broken. I don't know if you've seen my other short, but it broke, and I don't really want to fix it right now because it takes a long time. And it's really fragile and inconvenient to, make. So all in all, I had fun making this video. Please like and subscribe to help support me. I really do appreciate those. It encouraged me to make more shorts and long form videos. I want to try to get 500 subscribers, but 100 is a goal right now. Pretty good. And I'll see you next time.